Hello, this is Patent Attorney Tran. Thinking about patenting your software? Before you file, know this: most rejections happen for predictable reasons. Today, I'll walk you through the 5 biggest pitfalls that sink software patents and how you can avoid them. Number 1, abstract ideas. The USPTO rejects claims that look like abstract concepts, like processing data or managing information, without showing a technical improvement. Avoidance tip: anchor your claims in a concrete technical solution, not just a business method. i.e., don't say using AI to improve sales calls. You need to go into details of the technical solution. Number 2, lack of novelty. If your invention is new comparing to prior art, examiners will shut it down. Avoidance tip: do a thorough prior art search before filing. Show what's different and why it matters. Number 3, obviousness. Even if your idea is new, if it seems like an obvious variant or tweak to an existing technology, it won't fly. Avoidance tip: highlight unexpected benefits or technical hurdles your invention overcomes. This will help examiners lean toward obviousness. Number 4, poorly drafted claim. Vague, overly broad, or purely functional claims are a recipe for rejection. Avoidance tip: use precise technical language. The claims to system architecture, algorithms, or measurable improvements. Number 5, failure to show technical improvement. The rule in 2025 emphasizes technical contribution. So, if your software doesn't improve computing processes or the output quality or another technical advantage, it's likely to be rejected. Avoidance tip: document how your invention enhances speed, efficacy, security, or scalability. In closing, software patents aren't dead, they're evolving. By avoiding these 5 traps, you dramatically increase your chances of success. Remember, abstract idea, lack of novelty, obviousness, poor claims, and lack of technical improvement. These are the top rejection reasons. Nail these and your patent stands a fighting chance at the patent office. For more questions, please visit patentpc.com.